Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Team Genevieve Vlog. So for today's video, wala pa rin kuryente. So pupunta tayo ngayon ng HEB kasi we have to buy some ice cubes. Limited lang kasi yung binibenta nila, so kailangan nating agahan.
Hindi yata nasa ayan. Bibili tayo ng yelo.
So, right after natin bumili ng yelo guys, since yesterday, hindi tayo nakabili ng generator. So, we're here in Lowe's as early as 7 AM. So, we're trying na makabili. Sobrang out of stock talaga. So, ayan, may signage sila dito. Prepare for hurricane season.
Ma'am, we can
So,
get the gasoline.
nabalitaan kasi namin,
container?
actually si Toto, na may 100 pieces new stocks ang Lowe's ng generator. So, pipila na tayo habang maaga pa. And ang first thing na ginrab namin sa Lowe's is yung gasoline container. Kasi kailangan natin ng gasoline para sa generator. So, I think nasa 10 gallons yung generator natin capacity. So, kukuha tayo ng dalawang gasoline container or can na may 5 gallons each. Nasa plastic pa guys. So, bagong dating talaga yung mga stocks nila.
Ilan gallon to? 5 gallons. Tama, 10 gallons per generator, right? It depends.
No, it depends.
Okay.
Yeah, it depends. But we're limiting them to 2.
So, okay.
Anyway guys, limit of 2 lang yung pwede nating bilhin. So, okay na to. So, since ang instruction nila guys is kailangan muna namin bayaran yung generator and then pipick upin namin dun sa garden section. So, as of now, pangatlo kami sa pila. Wala pa ganong pila guys. So, napaaga tayo. So, it's a good thing. So, finally guys, ayan, hawak ko na yung resibo. Nabayaran na natin yung ating generator.
Kapit mo sa window. Yung window close mo.
So, kailangan namin magdagdag ng electric fan kasi isa lang yung fan namin sa bahay.
Ito na lang stand fan, anak, para mas pwede mong dalhin anywhere. O ito industrial. High velocity, nak. Ito na lang itim. 18 inches. Yan na lang nak. Ito. 50. O ito isa. Industrial.
Ano po mas malaki?
Ito malakas to, high velocity. Haba ng pila.
See guys, after 30 minutes namin dito sa Lowe's, medyo mahaba
Buti
na yung
maaga
pila.
tayo.
So, dumating na si Toto dito sa Lowe's. Papasok kasi siya sa school, so sumunod lang siya. So, nagtitingin kami ng cord para sa generator.
Ito 40 feet, mas mahaba.
Mas mahaba to, 150.
Saan? 25 lang yan eh. Oh.
Ito yung 100, gusto na.
Wala na yung 100.
So, ito na yung bibili nating heavy duty extension cord, 100 feet. And then, itong electric fan. So, babayaran natin to separately. So, guys, within few minutes, ganito nakahaba yung pila. So, siguro, nabalitaan nila na may first 100 new stocks dito sa Lowe's. So, ayan, finally, we're going to pick up na yung generator na nabili natin dito sa Lowe's. So, isa siya sa magandang brand ng generator.
You're gonna get in your car and you're gonna go
Turn
to the
right.
side.
The garden section?
Garden section right there. You see that guy walking?
Uh-huh.
That's where you're about to turn.
Okay.
There's a little entrance right there.
Thank you.
So, magpapalit kami ng car ni Toto. Lahat ng nabili natin nilalagay sa pilot. Kasi papasok si Toto sa school. Ang dadali niya si Conan. Ikaw na muna ito kay pilot kasi kukunin mo yung yung generator. Oh. Kunin mo yung resibo. Kunin mo yung resibo. Maya tayo magpalit pag papasok ka na, ha? So once na nabayaran na guys yung generator, dito yung kanilang releasing dito sa garden side. So it's a good thing kasi may tao sila na tutulong sa'yo maglalagay dun sa compartment ng sasakyan. Kasya papa? So ito guys yung ating nabili, yung Generac 6500 portable generator. So it means guys 6,500 running watts. And then ang nagustuhan namin dito with steel fuel tank with large capacity. So you can use this up to 11 hours runtime at 50% load. With automatically safeguards engine. So it means guys if there's any damage or problem sa generator natin, it will automatically shut down. And you can use the hour meter to track or check your running time. So I think this is one of the best generator, portable generator in our location, Generac 6500. So using this Generac guys, we can use the microwave, television, electric fan, and even refrigerator. So very useful talaga tong generator. So that will be the vlog for today guys. Let's do unboxing sa next vlog natin. Thank you for watching guys. Have a good day!